Look instantly 10 years younger with these amazing short styles. 1. Edgy textured pixie. Ideal for oval faces and fine hair. This cut adds instant volume and a modern, youthful edge without requiring heavy daily styling routines. Perfect for active women, the textured layers highlight cheekbones and draw attention upward, lifting the face for a vibrant, energetic look. 2. Classic angled bob. This elegant cut is brilliant for round faces, as the elongated front pieces visually slim the jawline while maintaining a polished appearance. A fantastic choice for thick hair, the angled structure removes bulk from the back while framing the face beautifully with soft, sweeping lines. 3. Voluminous shag. Designed to add body to thinning hair, the heavy layering creates a naturally messy, playful texture that exudes confidence and effortless style. Excellent for naturally wavy hair, this low-maintenance style embraces natural texture, softening harsh facial lines for a completely rejuvenated vibe. 4. Asymmetrical lob. This dynamic, uneven cut draws the eyes diagonally, creating an illusion of a slimmer neck and bringing an avant-garde flair to an everyday look. Suits square faces beautifully by breaking up harsh jawlines. The modern asymmetry offers a youthful twist while remaining highly professional. 5. Sleek blunt cut. Perfect for women with naturally straight hair. This sharp precision cut creates a strong, clean silhouette that communicates power and elegance. Highly effective at making thin ends look dramatically thicker. The uniform length provides an immaculate, glossy finish that screams sophistication. 6. Curly layered crop. An absolute lifesaver for naturally curly hair. The strategic layers prevent the dreaded triangle shape and let your natural coils bounce freely. This low-fuss look is perfect for highlighting beautiful eyes. The short curls bring incredible texture and a joyful, lively aura to your presence. 7. Feathered outwards bob. A brilliant nod to retro elegance. The feathered ends flick outward, actively opening up the face and illuminating your features with a soft glow. Ideal for adding width to narrow or long faces. This sweeping motion injects incredible movement and styling versatility into medium to fine hair. 8. Choppy spiky pixie. For the bold woman who wants zero styling time. The disconnected, choppy layers add height on top, elongating the face and hiding hair thinning. Instantly injects an edgy rock chic attitude. Perfect for those who love to wash and go, allowing a little styling wax to do all the heavy lifting. 9. Soft wavy lob. A masterclass in romantic aging. The gentle, loose waves rest beautifully around the collarbone, softening any fine lines and bringing out a radiant glow. Highly versatile and universally flattering. This cut is long enough to pull back into a small updo, yet short enough to remain incredibly healthy looking. 10. Buzz cut with fade. The ultimate statement of confidence. A beautifully executed buzz cut immediately brings total focus to your stunning facial features and beautiful eyes. Exceptionally liberating and chic. It pairs incredibly well with bold jewelry and strong makeup, completely removing hair maintenance from your busy life.